Shit. Fuck. Yeah, that's where I fucking popped the car. La mierda. Shit sucks. That's the best I could do. You gotta check out the other side. That shit looking crazy. Is they didn't even clean the streets yet, so they're gonna fill this shit. It's all gonna get backed up, all back over here again tomorrow, and it's still freaking snowing. It sucks, bro. Shit. Look. And the other side, there's no way I could do this. That shit. There's nothing I can do. Look at this shit. I can't get in there. This shit's crazy. How the hell am I gonna get in there? Oh, shit, man. This shit. Really? Chooch. Look at these guys. They stuck. They can't even get out. Stay home.